Hello, I'm Ricky from Nanjing Product Medical, an expert imaging equipment manufacturer in China. After 18 years development, we have become the leading manufacturer in China. Today, I'm very glad to introduce you the most advanced and high-class product, high-frequency digital radiograph and fluoroscopy system, PLD8000C. Okay, here is the appearance of this product. Generally to say, this system has three functions. The first one is radiograph. It can be used to take static images from all body parts. The second, fluoroscopy. It's suitable for the physical examination, internal medicine, surgery, orthopedics, etc. The third one is contrast agent examination. For example, like the barrier examination. As we all know, the key part of the X-ray machine is the image chip, which includes the high-frequency generator, X-ray tube, flat panel detector, digital workstation, and also, of course, there will also be a diagnostic map. So today, I will also follow the image chip to elaborate this system to you. Okay, let's see the first one, the high-frequency generator. This generator is 100% designed and produced in-house. The output power is 65 kilowatts. The frequency is 440 kHz. Ensure the stable X-ray quality and strong penetration ability. Can easily meet the obesity patients' exposure requirements. The second one is the X-ray tube. For this system, we use the imported Canon X-ray tube with two rotated anodes, 0.6 mm and 1.2 mm, with the rotating speed up to 9,700 RPM per minute. The anode thermal capacity is 400 kV. The tube thermal capacity is 1,400 kV. As we all know, the high tube thermal capacity means the system can work continuously for a long time and totally meet the high stress work requirement. The next one is the image acquisition system. For this product, we use one dynamic flat panel detector, can do both radiograph and fluoroscopy. Also, this flat panel detector is also 100% designed and produced in-house. For this flat panel detector, the size is 17-inch times 70-inch. The analog to digital transmit is 16 bits. The pixel distance is 154 micrometers. The space resolution is 3.71 line/millimeter. The big size FPD can provide you a wide range during the clinical applications. No need second exposure for the big body parts. Very convenient and very safe. Compared to the image intensifier, the image from the flat panel detector is larger, the image is sharper, and the image is no distortion. And also for this system, we equipped with two high density arrays which can meet different SID requirements. The SID range is from 1,100 mm to 1,800 mm. There's also one big advantage is that our grade can be removable for the children and for the patients who is sensitive for the dose to protect the patient. Now let's see the movement of the bed. Actually, for this system, we have plenty movement for the clinical applications. If you get closer, you can see here are some buttons to control this movement of this bed, along with the X-ray tube column. The move range of the column in the horizontal is 900 millimeter. The next one is the movement of the X-ray tube. Here is the lowest point of the X-ray tube, and the minimum SID can be reached to 800 millimeter. If you get closer, you can see here's the LCD display who can show. The first one is the field, and the second one is the real-time SID, and the third one is the real-time angle. Here is the collimator. As you can see here are also 4 buttons to control the exposure field. Get younger, get smaller. When this bed in horizontal level, the maximum SID can be reached to 1100 millimeter. This button is to control the bed move in horizontal range, and the range is 220 millimeter. Our bed can also move up and down, and when it moves down to the minimum distance to the floor is 60 millimeter. Very easy and convenient for those patients who cannot move too much to go to the bed, like the patients in the stretcher or the patient in the wheelchair. And also this bed can rotate from minus 25 degrees. And when it's reached to the lower part, the bed can move up automatically to protect this machine. We call it anti-clatter function. And also you can rotate to the 90 degrees. Okay, when the bed in this direction, SID can be reached to 1.8 meter in 1 key. We also equip with the rotated foot plate who can rotate it 360 degrees to meet different position radiograph requirements. Okay, this is also equipped with a compressor. During the contrast agent examination, this compressor function to press the contrast agent, and it automatically to control the pressure. Here is the hardware for the DRF, which can clearly show the exposure dose. Most of the suppliers in the market provide the software, which is not very accurate. We can clearly show the actual dose in the digital workstation. Here is the foot brake for the fluoroscopy. As you can see, we can control the movement of the flat panel detector through the switch during fluoroscopy in the workstation. And also, we can get the static image during fluoroscopy. Here is the digital touch screen. These are options for collimator light, the fluoroscopy parameters control. Here are the switches to control the exposure field, compressor, bed movement, bed rotation, and SID range adjustment. Thank you for your listening. Per love, word of love.